Listen, if you're not using AI to make money in 2025, you're falling behind. Right now, AI is creating the biggest money wave we've ever seen, and the crazy part? You don't need skills, you don't need experience, and you definitely don't need a big following. Real people are making $50, $100, even $300 a day using simple AI tools. So let me show you exactly how you can start today. AI is not the future anymore. It's happening right now. Tools like ChatGPT, HeyGen, Midjourney, Canva AI, and Opus Clips are replacing up to 80% of traditional work. What does this mean for you? It means you can create content, automate tasks, start digital services, or even run a faceless YouTube channel without complicated skills. People from all over the world, the US, India, Pakistan, the Philippines, are earning online with AI because the barrier is now extremely low. Let me give you a simple method any beginner can start today. Step 1. Pick a simple niche like AI tutorials, productivity hacks, side hustles, or motivational content. Step 2. Use AI tools to create everything. ChatGPT writes the script, HeyGen creates the talking narrator, Midjourney or Canva AI makes the thumbnails, and CapCut or Descript handle editing. No face cam, no microphone, no studio. Step 3. Upload 2 to 3 videos per week. YouTube is pushing AI content aggressively right now. If your title and thumbnail are strong, you will get impressions. Stay consistent for 30 days and you'll see views, subscribers, and momentum. People want shortcuts. They want faster solutions. And AI is the biggest shortcut on the internet right now. When you create simple, helpful AI content, the algorithm pushes it because demand is huge and competition is still low. This niche has high watch time, high click-through rate, and it's evergreen, meaning your videos keep earning even months later. If you want more step-by-step AI money-making tutorials and beginner-friendly guides, hit subscribe right now. I'm dropping new AI strategies every single day. This is your moment. Don't wait for the perfect time. This is the perfect time. Let's build your future with AI together.